Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you folks about Boston Whalers 2019 330 Outrage. Fantastic boat. You can see it's got the silver color on it, actually the platinum color on it. It's a beautiful finish on it. And you got the stainless steel insert on the rub rails. You've got the large trim tabs. You've got underwater lights, and it's powered by the Mercury Verado twin 350s. Plenty of power to get you right up on the plane, and it's got a top end of close to 50 mile an hour, and fantastic boat in the backwaters, and also takes the deep waters as well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 33 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat real quick. If you're out fishing for the day, you got a very large live well here. Rod holders in the back. If you're not fishing, the seat folds down nice, convenient. When you are, it folds up out of the way. We do have the dive door. It's great for swimming. You can get on and off the boat, no problem. And as far as catching fish, you can bring them right on in. And then you've got opposing seating right here. And if you also have another very large live well. So you got two big live wells on this boat. So plenty of room for all the bait you're going to need. If you're doing a little prep, how you do, bring this down, and now you got a great prep area right here. So it does two things very, very well. As we move towards the helm, this particular model is set up. We brought this one in with Simrad electronics, so two large touch screens, beautiful setup. You've got the autopilot in there as well. We do have a bow thruster on this particular boat. It's set up very, very well. Got jump seats on port and starboard side, and the head is very large. So for a 33-foot boat, you've got the vacuum flush head, plenty of room. You got a window for fresh air. Lounge seat, which is very, very comfortable for two people anyways. Look at the storage we have underneath. You got rod holders set up all the way through, and all the storage you're going to need for your lines and fenders and anything else that you want to put down there. Plenty of room there. Nice seating area up here as far as sitting out, just hanging out. You can sit here, six adults. You've got the recessed windlass system here, and it's all non-skid, so it's a great platform for fishing. So the boat's loaded up with spotlight, radar. It's got everything you're going to want. So this boat is meant to go offshore, meant to go to the Keys, meant to go to the Bahamas. You can take this boat pretty much anywhere you want to go. So if you've got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1199.